Hi everyone. A truck enters a stretch of road that drops 4 meters in elevation for every 100 meters along the length of the road. So that's like saying 4 meters for every 100 meters. All right. The road is at 1,300 meters elevation where the truck entered. So that's your initial elevation, and it's drops, so this is going to be negative. And the truck is traveling at 16 meters per second. What is the elevation of the road in meters at the point where the truck passes t seconds after entering the road? So basically what we're doing is we're setting up equation. So if you set up an equation, you want y equals, and your initial meters is 1,300, and then it drops 4 meters per 100 meters along the length of the road, and the road is at 1,300 meters where the truck entered, traveling at 16 meters per second. So basically your equation ends up being 1,300 minus 0.04 times 16, and that gives you 1,300 minus 0.64. So the answer is the point of elevation. Oh, there's your t. It's like your slope, your time. So this is your expression of the elevation at the point where the truck passes t seconds after entering the road. So you can plug in anything for your seconds there. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.